Welcome back. The next commonly used widget is QLineEdit. The QLineEdit class is a single line text entry. The widget that you commonly might use in the data entry or a login form. QLineEdit can also be called with no arguments, with only parent widget or by default a string value as a first argument or so. And here are the number of properties that we can pass into the QLineEdit. Let's see how to use this QLineEdit. Okay, now let's use this QLineEdit. What I'll do here is that let me comment this, and I'm going to use this Q label later on in the upcoming lectures. At the moment, let's please hold, and we will use all these labels and we will set everything using layout. At the moment, please be patient. Okay, so QLineEdit. You can call the QLineEdit. Let's say this is my line edit equal to. You can call this from the QTW and QLineEdit, and the argument that you can able to pass here is the default value. Is the first one is the text is going to be the default value. Okay, and let me set this is the default value. And now we can also set the self to display it, and placeholder text is basically type something. Length, you can also set the max length equal to 20. Whatever the length you want, you can set this. Okay, now let's execute this program and have a look into this. Okay, you can see that we have one line edit widget is there, and the default value is what are the default value I set. If I remove this, and you can notice that we have the type something, which is nothing but placeholder. Okay, this is how we can use this QLineEdit. This is how we need to populate this widget in PyQT. I will see you in the next lecture. More on this. Until then, happy learning.